the no-bake cake that conquered the internet. Soak the ladyfingers in milk. Place the ladyfingers in a row on plastic wrap. Pour milk into a saucepan. Crack a few eggs into a bowl. Add sugar and vanilla extract. Mix well with a whisk. Add starch and flour. Mix again. Pour in milk and mix until smooth. Pour the mixture into the saucepan with milk. Cook the pastry cream, stirring continuously until it thickens. Spread the cooled pastry cream over the ladyfingers. Place raspberries along the edges. Roll the ladyfingers with the cream and raspberries. Place other soaked ladyfingers on the plastic wrap. Spread with the pastry cream. Add raspberries. Continue rolling the ladyfingers with cream and raspberries until the end. Wrap with plastic wrap. Place the roll vertically on a cutting board and chill for 30 minutes. Remove the plastic wrap. In the bowl with whipping cream, add powdered sugar. Mix until you get a firm cream. Spread the cake on all sides with whipped cream. Put sugar in a saucepan. Add starch and vanilla sugar. Mix a little. Pour in hot water and mix well. Add butter and a slice of lemon. Boil the syrup until it thickens. Decorate the surface of the cake with Nutella. Add fresh raspberries and chill for 2 hours. It is a delicious cake with lots of smooth vanilla cream and an elegant decoration, which will be appreciated by everyone, but especially by those who love raspberries.